Hello, and today I will show you how to make any gun from any mod compatible with Better Weapon Immersion mod. So first you need to launch Arma Reforger tools, then you will need to add Ashyl project, mod project from which you will make a gun compatible with Better Weapon Immersion and Better Weapon Immersion itself. So you need to download it from workshop, and then here in Reforger tools you press add project, add existing project. And you need to locate Arma Reforger add-ons and here your mod. So it is my custom path, but by default it is in documents, my games, Arma Reforger add-ons. As an example, I will use the Raises Ersaz mod. So you double click and add add-on gproch. Same with Better Weapon Immersion mod. And if you want to make also compatible with the ADS Sway mod, you will also need to add this project. So we will find, oh, it already has it, but if you need to make your own additions, we will add all of these mods to make our custom recoil from ADS Sway to Ersaz. So you add these three mods. So it's ADS Sway core and conflow. It is what you need to add every time, and if ADS Sway already has a compatible version, you also need to add this. So then we press create new project. I will change path here. Then you need to add all mods we will be working with. So it is all ADS Sways, the actual gun mod, and Better Weapon Immersion. So you name it, and then press create. And so now I will tell you a little bit about the file structure if you don't know how it works in Fusion. So firstly we will go to the weapon mod folder here, from which we will be taking gun. You go to the prefabs, weapons, and you will have it somewhere in weapons folder. So here we have two versions of Ersaz, actually 4, but we will just count these two. So I'll press override it, and you need to override it in your mod. So as you can see we have two versions, 18 and 22 inches, but if you'll press edit prefab here, you can see that 22 inch version is inherited from 18-inch version. So every changes you apply on this version will automatically apply to this version. So we don't need to make changes in each gun. And same with other mods. In other mods you will probably see some like rifle, weapon name, and base version of it. So you will need to override only base versions. So you press what we will do next. So I will just copy and paste the recoil from SVD to Ersaz without any changes to show you, just to show you. So I will go to the Better Weapon Immersion mod, prefabs, weapons, same as we did with Ersaz, and I will locate here SVD, and you will need to just duplicate it, because for some reason in Fusion you can't like press edit prefab and just see what it has here if the mod is locked for you. So since I own like Better Weapon Immersion mod, it's not locked for me, but I will do it from your perspective and I will copy it. We will later just delete this. We just need to copy some parameters from this. So I press OK, double click on SVD or like any gun you want to make changes. Like, so if you, for example, making something AK, you can copy it from AK-74 from Better Weapon Immersion. So I press edit prefab, I will go to the muzzle component, and here we have the weapon aim modifiers, and we need firstly recoil weapon aim modifier. You press right mouse button and you press copy. Then you close it, go to the weapon you need to make changes, press edit prefab, same. You need to locate recoil weapon aim modifier here, and it's probably only for me, but I have a problem when you copy and paste some parameters here and it will not be applied. So I found a way to, you need to just make small changes here, any changes, press Ctrl S or save it here, and then right mouse button, paste, and again save. Okay, so now we have the recoil parameters from SVD to ersatz, but also what we need to do is sway weapon modifier. You can also just copy and paste it here, or you can make it your own. So since I remember all values, I will just make it manually. I save all the time, and so we will not touch ADS sway at this moment. You can just also copy and paste camera shake A modifiers. There are two of these, and dead zone A modifier, but it is new version of dead zone A modifier in ADS sway mode, so you better play with these values by yourself, because in Better Weapon Immersion mode there are old version of dead zone A modifier, and it causes some problems. Okay, so what we will do next is also very important. In SCR weapon attachment storage component you have SCR recoil camera shake params. You can also just copy and paste it from prefabs of Better Weapon Immersion, but I will do again it myself because I remember values. Okay, so this is done, and we didn't, what only we didn't is change the ADS sway recoil. So you can do it by yourself, just copy and paste, but there are new parameters, so I guess it is better for you to make your own like adjustments. You make adjustments, see it in the game, make adjustments in the game, and like this. Okay, so basically the weapon is done. We can test it in game. So as you can see, the sway is applied. And custom recoil from SVD also applied, but there are also, remember, there are ADS sway parameters that you also need to make properly. But since ersatz weapon already have ADS sway compatible version, so I will not do this. And you do all weapons. Oh, also we can delete this SVD. We don't need it anymore. And just like this, you have your compatible version. Then you press workbench, publish to workshop, your mod, you do all of this stuff, and then press publish, and it is ready. Thank you for watching and attention, because it's really good for me to have people who can make this, and I appreciate this work, making compatible versions of guns, because it takes time and I don't really want to do this, especially when someone asking to make compatible version for mods that I personally don't play, or server I play don't use it. And I really appreciate if people will making their own compatible versions. So just like this, thank you for watching again, thank you for your attention, and bye.